With the pair of Okatsunes, after the chemicals, we have a very matte black finish, and I have no idea what's happening to this steel. This has been the Yanni picker as well as some decorota. But what I'm going to focus on is this area here, which has our big old chips. The Okatsunes actually have a fairly steep micro bevel around the bevel, so we're going to work with that first and foremost. Have to remember not to go too hard into the anvil. And I can feel a really big burr on the back side. And I'm going to keep going. We've got a very big burr on the back side. And I can't really see any more chipping. So I'm going to deburr that with my piece of timber. I'm going to move up to the 500 because I feel it's going to be a little bit safer. Can feel that burr again, and I can see that there's still a little chip hanging around, so I'm going to push the burr back. Burring up again. This is a tiny little remnant of a chip right here. I'm going to give it one more go, and I'm also going to round this point slightly because it's lost its point. Let's move on to the 1000 grit and see what we end up with. They're looking okay, but I don't think I've quite hit the edge on that round of 1000 grit. I'm just going to get rid of some of this black gunk that needs to be abraded rather than... The 1000 grit is my finest stone. I'm going to find the flattest area that I can on it and just gently keeping it flat on the face, pass it over the back. Doing the same on the anvil. It might be that they need a little tighten up here to really make sure that they're sliding over each other nicely. Going to take my 1000 grit stone with some sandpaper, rough up the surface, find a scrap piece of timber, there you go, rub it in, and you can see the steel that's being abraded by just the slurry, and we might be able to just polish this bevel up slightly. This isn't touching the cutting edge anymore, we're just getting our crud off. So we have a really nicely polished edge there, and I'll just try and pull a little more off the anvil. I think it's time to see how these are going to perform.